Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Tang and this is a Minute to Better Health. All this month we're talking about headaches, and today I'd like to discuss 4 different types of headaches and how chiropractic care can help address each one of them. First, let's talk about tension headaches. These are the most common type of headache, often characterized by dull, aching pain and a feeling of tightness around the forehead, sides, or back of the head. Chiropractic adjustments can help alleviate the muscle tension that often contributes to or causes these types of headaches. Next, we have migraines. Migraines are more than just headaches. They're a neurological condition that can cause intense, throbbing pain, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light or sound. Chiropractic care can help reduce the frequency and intensity of migraines by addressing potential triggers such as spinal misalignments or muscle tension. Our third point focuses on cluster headaches. The term cluster is used because these types of headaches often occur in clusters or cycles, typically characterized by excruciating pain on one side of the head, often around the eye. While chiropractic care may not cure cluster headaches, it can help manage the symptoms and reduce the overall discomfort experienced during an episode. Lastly, we have cervicogenic headaches. The term cervicogenic is used because these types of headaches originate from issues in the cervical spine or neck and are often a result of misalignments or dysfunction in the cervical spine. Chiropractic adjustments can be particularly effective in treating cervicogenic headaches by correcting the underlying issues in the neck. All 4 of these types of headaches can be addressed with the services we offer in our clinic. Through chiropractic care, physical therapy, acupuncture and massage, and lifestyle modifications, we aim to reduce the frequency and severity of your headaches and improve your overall quality of life. If you're struggling with headaches and looking for relief, please give us a call at 635-9655. Again, I'm Dr. Tang with HealthQuest, and thanks for watching today.